So I'm Surinder Kumar. I am from a company called Kerry Ingredients, and this is a company based in Ireland. We say that we are one of the largest food ingredient company in the world. We are dealing with almost all end use market. We say that market as end use market because we say it as a bakery, confectionery, dairy, and ice cream. And our history about the company is that we all started from a dairy company. So we are dealing in this end use products also. At the same time, being an ingredient company, we are supplying lot of very specialized raw material which is required for the industry. So ice cream is one such end use market where we have got a number of ingredient which we can give it to the market. These are like the flavors, these are like the texture systems, these are like the inclusions, and there are another specialized which can be used into this segment. It can be the probiotics, and it can also add to the other dimensions like the sugar reduction. At the same time, we have got enzymes which also can give a very healthy products to the market or the consumers, like the lactose free kind of products to this one. Yeah. So I would start from the angle that India is a big country, and we have a wide range of population, whether it is the youngsters, which are the largest percentage now. They need to experiment, they wish to experiment with the exciting products which are coming to the market. With the change in generation, the food habits are changing. With the people who are working in their life, there has to be ready-made products to be available for their consumption. So when these all aspects come to the market or to the industry, there is a need of a backbone, whether it is in terms of the processing industry, the machinery which is related to that. At the same time, the most important, I would say, the ingredient which are part of that, and to complete a product in terms of taste and nutrition, again there is a role of this specialized ingredient which we say. So whether when we say about the taste, the flavors part, they play definitely a role into that. For the nutrition, they have to be supplemented with the add-on health benefits related to that, whether it comes to the proteins or or I would say through the enzymes in terms of lactose free, or through the probiotics which is there in these products. So it is all going to make it interesting for the consumers for the coming years in our country. Yeah. Well, I would say that for an industry to rise, there is a lot of requirement of knowledge, and I would say definitely like the companies like us, they bring about lot of knowledge, and to the benefit of the manufacturers, the expositions of this kind, they give a very healthy platform or a very interactive platform to the people or the manufacturers, so that they can come at a stage where people can interact face to face. They can discuss about their issues related to that, and the people like us or the industries like us, they can also gauge from the participant, like what are their expectations from the suppliers in terms of imparting some knowledge or bringing out some new product to the market. So I think I would say it is a very nice hand holding which this kind of exposition is giving to the suppliers as well as the manufacturers in both the direction to it is good to have, or it is good to have lot of um, invitation, in the sense that if the participation is more, because ours is a very vast country. So if we are organizing this kind of event at a one particular place, I would say from north to south we have a long distance. So sometimes the people are unable to approach to this area. So if we advertise, or if we enroll, or if we invite large number of people, and well make it a good planning, and then make it a good support from the resource angle, then I think it is going to give a good participation for the both the suppliers as well as the consumers or the manufacturer, I would say, from that part. Well, definitely, I would say I am very keen on having a high on the technology part, and I would say that the tier 2 or tier 3 people in terms of ingredient, they should always try to grab whatever the knowledge they can, from wherever they can, and implement into their system, so that the product which is coming to the market, it is going to be a good quality product, and it is going to give a good support to the both the suppliers as well as the consumers or the manufacturer, I would say, from that part. So I would definitely I would say I am very keen on having a high on the technology part, and I would say that the tier 2 or tier 3 people in terms of ingredient, they should always try to grab whatever the knowledge they can, from wherever they can, whosoever manufacturer, whether it's a two or three, if we stand on a global platform, then people should be able to say that even the tier three is more than a global standard. So that is my wish, and then I think when we attain this one, whatever the products or the quality of the products we manufacture for our consumers, which are of course all the citizens of India of the different age group. So if they are happy about consuming any product with the honor and dignity and lot of acceptability and happiness, I think that's the point we have achieved in our life.